Hi friends, today I am with the new Timex smartwatch and it is named as Timex Fit 2.0. It can record your heartbeat, it is a touchscreen, it has remote control calling option and also it can track your activity. We will talk about each and everything in detail later on. If we talk about the color, this is silver and grey color smartwatch. The price is already written 5995, so it is around 6000, and the app is compatible both with Google Play Store and also App Store in iOS. So for both ecosystem it is available. And as far as the boxing is concerned, this is very different kind of boxing what I have seen in the Timex watch, and it has a kind of a premium boxing. The watch is definitely looking very premium. We will talk about the design and the build quality later on. Here you can see the price tag seen with the 5995. So that is the price tag available, and if we go, we can see inside we are getting a charging cable and also the user manual. I will definitely recommend you guys to go through the user manual to read and each and everything and have the information for the same. If you still have any doubts, you can ask us in the comment section and I will try to reply them. This is the charging pin. So currently you can see the cable is little bit shorter, but still I will try to show you how you can charge your Timex Fit 2.0. There is also a small plastic skin on your back. I will definitely ask you to remove that so that it can do the tracking very well, and the sensors work well too. Now coming to the charging, you just put into the charging case and it starts charging. There is no issue. You just have to put the USB port into a power adapter. So that's it. And coming to the color, it will be coming in three colors. We got the silver color, there is one more blue color, and there is also black color. So these are the three colors what are coming. And the app what you need to install in your phone is Timex Fit 2.0. It is available both on Google Play Store and also in iOS App Store. If you launch the app, it will ask you to enter the email address for sign up or maybe Google account or Facebook account. First, it is up to your profile. The first tab is just profile, how you are working out, and this. The second is watch. You can add your watch. Third is the activity tracking, and fourth is the detail of the person who is using your height, weight, and steps count. Once you sync with the smartwatch, then it is very easy. You can change the watch faces. Here you can see there is multiple watch faces. Currently I like this one, so I will just put the circular one. It will take some time and it will install on your smartwatch. So this is how you can install the smartwatch face, and you can see the face has been changed now. The watch face has been changed now. Going back, it also has alarm. You can set up to 3 alarms maximum, so you can't set the fourth one. This is only restricted to 3. Coming to the notifications, you will get each and every notifications, and I will coming back to that also. So first you have to go to Timex Fit 2.0. You have to allow notification access, and later once you go inside, you can switch on the apps to get the access regarding the call, SMS, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also Skype. So this is completely up to the user what he wants, and the complete customization is up to you. Now you also get a camera access, which means that you can click remotely. Here you can see the camera button. You just have to tap that and the picture will be clicked. It is very easy, and I haven't tried with iOS, but I have tried with Android and it works smoothly. Now going to the general settings, you can also have the find my device. You can find your device by pressing that. Even you can have the reminders to move. Every hour you will be reminded to move in every 60 minutes. There is continuous heart rate check. Time format you can change from 12 hour to 24 hour, whatever suits you. Do not disturb mode is also there. You can change the steps count. You can also sync the contacts. So these are the things. If you sync the contact, every contact will be synced with your smartwatch. And the firmware is already upgraded. It is Timex Fit 2.0, and lastly there is activity which will be monitored there. Currently I'm not doing any activity. Here you can see the steps and each and everything. I will also show you how you can swap and remove the bands. It is very easy and you can remove them yourself only. And here you can see the one thing I just noticed, that it doesn't have any IP rating, so it is not waterproof. I can't tell that, but in the brochure also there is nothing mentioned on the waterproof. Coming to the smartwatch, it looks pretty much similar like Galaxy Watch Active 2, and I will definitely give thumbs up to Timex team that this time they have actually worked on the look and design. It looks pretty premium than the other watches in the market. And talking about the watch faces, you can also change them directly from your watch. Also, it has some preloaded four watch faces. Currently I'm using this one. If you swipe from top to bottom, you are getting the first the night mode. It will turn on the mute and also reduce the brightness. Now here is the brightness mode. You get up to 5 levels of brightness you can change, and there is also settings. You can also put your watch into vibration mode, you can put into normal calling mode. This is also a good thing. You are also getting settings. Settings is basically each and every function what your app is giving. It counts with the stopwatch. I will show you that also. So here is a stopwatch. You can see again, you have to go back, you have to swipe from left to right. There's alarm. I already told you, you have 3 alarms to set. You can't set more than that. You have countdown also here. It has some minutes and hours. You can puzzle them out and put the countdown. Here you can see the brightness, and you can increase or decrease by plus or minus. The phone is on or not. Here you can connect it back. So as you have seen, I am just connecting it back to connect with the phone. Now this is what we are getting in the phone. If we go later on, there is a vibration mode. If you want to get the vibration on, you can switch it on or you can switch it off. Night mode is basically it will mute your smartwatch and also lower the brightness. You can reset it. You have the power off and also about. So this is all we got. There's also time, date and battery percentage. If we swipe from right to left, we are getting the step count, also the calories burned, and few more things. If we swipe from left to right, you are getting the apps. Here you can see there is a reset button. You can reset it. You also get a stopwatch. You also get a music remote. So whatever you are playing and you are walking, you can change the music from here. You have the sports mode where it can record your sports activity. There is also a stop clock, which I have already shown you. There is a remote camera. So if you switch on the remote camera, you can click the picture here, and I'm just tapping it and the picture has been clicked. So it is very easy with that, and you can click multiple pictures. To the most highlight thing what Timex is boosting is on the phone call. Here you can see you are getting a dial pad. You have a phone call. You can completely call anyone using this smartwatch. So this is definitely added feature. There is a power off button. There is also a sleep monitor which you can track. You have notifications here. You can see I just got a message on notification. I just emptied it. There is also a flashlight. You can switch it on or off, and it will be helpful mostly when you are in the dark. Now coming to few more things, you are getting a brightness option here also, and you also get this thermometer reading is basically for the BP monitor. You have the activity sensor also. You can go back to the home screen to check the clock. There is music button, and there is SpO2 monitor. Currently I will record the SpO2 and you guys can see. As you know that above 94 everything is good, but Timex has also put a disclaimer that this is for the non-medical use only. Here you can see my SpO2 is coming around 97%. I will also check the BPM, and I will wait for the record, but until then it is written that this device or software is intended for use only for general well-being purpose, and it is not intended to be used for any medical purpose. If you have any emergency, definitely go and consult the doctor. Don't rely on any smartwatch. This I always tell in my each and every video. Now coming to a quick recap, the smartwatch comes with the color touch display. It can make and receive calls. It has activity tracking also. It has a heart rate monitor. It comes with the blood oxygen saturation monitor also. It can also see your call, SMS and social alerts. It has media control, sleep tracking, sports mode and multi-day battery. If you talk about the battery life, it goes around nearly up to 7 days, but definitely it is up to your users how much you are using and how much your display is switched on. So this is what we are getting completely on the Timex Fit 2.0. If you ask me, I have used Timex Fit, the first edition. I have also tried the Helix one. Definitely, this is a standout product, the Timex Fit 2.0, with the feel, look, and design. And after wearing it is so much comfortable. It looks pretty much premium, and the price is also not too much. So on 6,000 bucks, nearly 5,995. It is definitely a go ahead product, and also I will recommend you, if you want to check it out. It will be coming in three attractive colors. This is the one color, silver and gray, what I am using. There is a blue and gray and also a black color. Now coming to the Timex team, I have just one feedback. If they have one universal app for all the Timex product, it will be much more beneficial. Definitely the app is very smooth, very light and minimal also. So this is also one more thing about I wanted to highlight. And the smartwatch will be going on sale through online and offline channels. Definitely check them out. And the price is 5,995, which is nearly 6,000. So this is all about the Timex Fit 2.0. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.